Hey, it's Billy J, Story Moto, ADV. Do not shoot the messenger. That's me. Do not shoot me. I am all Team Orange. I'm just trying to report on this matter and find out more information. The story is inside. It's disturbing. Pictures, links, everything's there to verify the case. You let me know what you think. Stand by. Oh my God. Hear me first off, I am Team Orange. You guys know that. I'm on my KTM 690 Enduro R right now. I love KTM. I'm a big proponent. But something just happened. This is a big deal, man. A KTM 1290 Super Adventure burst into flames. And the individual who I'm going to contact and do an interview with, he said that there was a recall. He brought it in, a recall for the gas tank, and he brought it in and drove it home fine, no worries. A couple days later went out for a ride, and the result is this, what you see right here, these pictures. I mean, look at this stuff. This thing, oh my gosh, man, it's devastating. And here's the deal, he's reported on social media that KTM USA has snubbed him, that they're not doing anything about it, and just leaving him there scratching his head. And here's the deal, man. KTM, you guys, you can't do this. Again, don't dog me on this. Don't throw me under the bus. I'm trying to find out what's up and what happened, and I'm asking this community if they know of anything about this case, other cases, and try to get to the bottom of why KTM says this is not their fault. Here's the deal with the 1290, with the KTM 1290 Super Adventure. This bike is used for serious long-range travel. That's a big deal. I have a friend on social media, a fellow rider named Roberto Santillan, and he's traveling across the stands right now, and just, you know, thousands and thousands and thousands of miles. We can't be having these bikes catch on fire, guys. You know, KTM, we can't have these bikes be catching on fire. So if you know of anything, please leave it in the comments. If you heard anything different, please leave it in the comments. If you can educate me on the matter, leave it in the comments. This is first reaction video, so I have a lot of information to get, and a lot of information I will deliver, especially as soon as I have the interview with the rider. So that is it. KTM 1290 Super Adventure catches on fire after a gas tank recall repair with a certified dealer. Story Moto out.